how to apply for Section 8 housing in California. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Section 8 housing in California. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Section 8 is a program for low-income individuals and families. So you'll need to check the income limits for your area in California. Other factors like family size and citizenship status may also affect eligibility. Section 8 applications are managed by local PHS. Search online to find the FAR for your city or county in California. Some FARs have open application periods, while others may use a lottery system due to high demand. Check your FAR's website for details on current availability and application deadlines. Prepare documents like proof of income, identification, social security numbers for all household members, and any other information that demonstrates your eligibility. Fill out the Section 8 application form through the FAR's website, or submit a paper application if online options aren't available. Be thorough, as missing information can delay processing. Submit the application and any required documentation through the FAR's online portal or by mail, depending on their specific instructions. Due to high demand, there may be a waiting period. If your application is accepted, you'll be placed on a wait list until a voucher is available. If you're selected to receive a Section 8 voucher, you'll be required to attend a briefing with your FAR to learn about your responsibilities and the program's requirements. Once you have your voucher, look for rental properties that accept Section 8 assistance. That's all for the video.